Let me just say that if something happens suddenly, well, self-explanatory, I guess. Let me begin with an introduction, please. No interruptions. For the intent and purpose of this production, call me Reno, and I hereby reserve my rights under UCC 1-308, not to be compelled to perform under any contract or commercial agreement that I didn't agree with. And here's a little secret: if your name appears in all caps, you're a straw man, being treated as a corporation because the lawman needs a fall man. But the Constitution stands, and as a matter of fact, it brings me back to the issue at hand. You see Title 42, Chapter 1, Part 1, Subsection 9, Vessel of the United States defined, states, any citizen thereof. Therefore, you're a boat doing business they're not so scared of. But the second you invoke your rights as a man, you declare it a fair one. So what are the implications? Simplification of the facts of the case would just make it a little too easy for the common man in the Commonwealth to understand common law. See, understand, if they understood jurisdiction of the state was either admiralty or maritime based, and it's outlined by the Constitution, Article 1, Clause 17, Section 8, then they'd probably also understand the underhand way Uncle Sam always gets the upper hand, because in a court of common law, the state can't be party and or prosecution to its own sham. So if the state is the plaintiff, it stands to reason that they can't take the stand because it's blatant that they're trying to be judge, jury, executioner, and the one who walks away with your estate. Wait, this just in. Can I take the stand? Where's your book? Here's my hand. Swear me in. I have some evidence of the court's prejudice, and I think its relevance is quite self-evident. When Franklin Roosevelt was president, he signed Executive Order 6111, 6072, and 6073, and in effect took us off the gold standard, at which point the International Monetary Fund, World Bank, needed something tangible for their piggy bank, so introducing the bond, also an indenture deed or indemnity mortgage or a debenture or security. But don't get lost in the obscurity. See, the reason it's significant, the bond I'm mentioning is called a birth certificate. It was signed by your legal guardian on your behalf regarding all the rules and regulations, statutes, penal codes, and laws they legislated. See, you were incorporated when the dotted line on your birth certificate was separated. Now it's traded on a world market as collateral estoppel, representing debt subjecting you to maritime law. And Uniform Commercial Code 1-102 binds commercial law and contract law to common law. So let the record show, by legal definition, the court you're in is a municipal corporation, and it's lacking subject matter jurisdiction. At this junction, I would like the court to note I have a bold objection. I'm no attorney, but ladies and gentlemen of the jury, what they're doing here is deprivation of rights under color of law, conspiracy against rights, and they're doing it because the common law gives the common man a fighting chance. Because under common law, the Constitution stands, and if a Constitution stands, a man can be a corporation, but a corporation can't assume the rights inherent to a man. That's pretty much it for now. I'll get back to you if I make it.